The Italian word for planet is
Pianeta. Pianeta.
It would be logical to assume that it's a feminine noun given that it ends in the letter A, but it's actually masculine.
Un piccolo pianeta.
A small planet.
Dei piccoli pianeti.
Small planets.
Il pianeta rotondo.
The round planet.
I pianeti rotondi.
The round planets. The feminine pianeta does exist and has two meanings: chasuble, an ornate vestment worn by a priest during Mass, and the less common horoscope card.
La Terra è il terzo pianeta più vicino al Sole.
Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system:
Sistema solare. Mercurio.
Mercury,
Venere.
Venus,
Terra.
Earth,
Marte.
Mars,
Giove.
Jupiter,
Saturno.
Saturn,
Urano.
Uranus,
Nettuno.
Neptune. Pluto,
Plutone.
which was downgraded from planet status in 2006, is now classified as a
Pianeta nano.
dwarf planet.
Il rover Perseverance è atterrato su Marte il 18 febbraio 2021.
The rover Perseverance landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. In more recent journalistic jargon, Pianeta has come to denote groups comprised of a shared set of people, ideas, activities, and so on, much like the word
Mondo.
world. For example,
Il pianeta calcio.
the world of soccer,
Il pianeta della moda.
the world of fashion.
Essere di un altro pianeta.
Literally, to be from another planet, means that someone or something has superior qualities or characteristics.
Caspita, questa squadra è di un altro pianeta. Sarà un'impresa sconfiggerla.
Wow, this team is out of this world. It's going to be a challenge to beat them.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.